How to download and install Facebook in your computer or laptop. In this video, you will learn how you can download and install Facebook in your computer. So let's start the video. First of all, click on Windows icon and here click on Microsoft Store. And here in the search bar, search for Facebook application. And here you can see Facebook. And if you want to install Facebook, here you can see click on free. For example, this is get option, you can click on get. As I have already installed Facebook, so I am showing open button instead of free get button. So guys, in this way you can install or download Facebook in your computer or laptop. If this video is helpful for you, please consider liking the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.